YouTube channel. So I share tips and tricks on using Canva, entrepreneurship, and any other things related to that. This video, I'm going to be talking about how, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you can create contracts for working with other people in your business using AI and Canva. So it's actually very simple. The first thing you want to do is go to ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, you can make one for free. And you're going to go ahead and type in your prompt, which is write a independent contract for people working within my business. Now, one thing about ChatGPT, the more that you give it, the better it is, of course. So if you want to go ahead and put in what state you're located at, if you want to give it the name of your business, if you want to give it the name of the person you're working with. But this is to create a template. So certain things that you want to put in there, you can, but you can also go ahead and edit this afterwards. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So we're gonna have it create the contract for you. And of course, you're gonna look it over and review it and make sure that it is good for your state. But this is a great way to start out with a template. So what it's gonna do is give you an independent contractor agreement, and you're gonna go ahead and just copy that agreement here. The next thing you're going to do is go to Canva. And so Canva, you can create a free account as well if you don't already have one. Certain features do work only with the pro account. The pro account is about $12.99 a month, so you can upgrade if you would like. But if you are starting out and you want to try it out with the free account, you can go ahead and do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to say create. Over here, we're going to click Canva AI when you sign in. At the top, create a contract design using these details. And we're going to go ahead and copy in what we got from ChatGPT. And we're going to go ahead and, of course, with this same thing, you can give it more details. I want it to be certain colors. But with Canva, of course, you can edit whatever template they create for you. So right now, that doesn't really matter. We're going to go ahead and hit create and see what they come up with. And everything is going to be editable. So right now we're going to say, it says that we're getting started on creating a clean professional contract document design for your independent contractor. As we can see, after a couple seconds, it has given us a design. We're going to go ahead and click on it, and we're going to go ahead and use Canva editor so that we can just edit all of these. So you can change this to your brand colors. You can add your logo to this. You can do all of that. So as you can see here, everything is editable. You can change the fonts, you can change the sizing, the bold, the color, all of that. So right here, when you're creating this, you're going to go ahead and add in your client name, client address, and the contractor name, contractor's address. So client would be you, contractor would be them. Then you're going to put the scope of, add in detailed description of the services that they are going to be providing. You're going to go ahead and add in the start date and end date. You're going to go ahead and put in the compensation details that you're going to be providing to the contractor, hourly rate, project fee, payment schedule, all of those things that you want to have within the contract. You can read through all of these. As you can see, down here, you can add the number of periods following the termination where there's no non-compete. You can add in within a certain location, geographical location. You can have the period of months following termination, when they cannot work with another company that is competing with you. You can provide the number of days notice that needs to be provided before you can terminate the contract. You put your state right here. Again, you can add in your client name, client contract. You can even add lines here to be able to add a space to sign, depending on if you're sending this digitally. There's different platforms like Adobe or different things where you can add in a PDF and have where people can sign. If you're going to be printing it out, then they can just sign directly on the sheet. And so all of this thing can be edited. Like I said, you're going to select, if you want to change the color of this bar, all you do is select it. You're going to click the color right here, and you can click whatever color you want. it to be to match your brand colors. And then, like I said, you can change each one here. If you wanted to change the font color, you just highlight it and you change the font color like that. Change it back. All of that can be edited. You can add right here, it says double click to edit. So to update the banner, you have to double click it and it's going to open up an editor tool right here. As you can see, you can go to designs and look at different templates. If you wanted to change how it looks at the top, you can search different templates that you may want. I know for contracts, you want to keep it as simple as possible. So if you wanted to change this color, background color, you can do that. If you wanted to take these squares off, you could do that. For this, you wanted to change the font, we're going to highlight it and we're going to change the font to whatever you want. You have that there. You can also center this, clicking up here at the top. And these are grouped right now, so if you wanted to ungroup it, you can ungroup it, and now you can edit this text right here as well. You can, in order to upload your logo, you can put upload file, and you can, if you don't already have it, you can add your logo to the top of here as well. And all of this can be changed. You can see the colors, or it can be removed, and you can delete it. Then you're going to go ahead and hit save, and it will update it at the top. So that is how you can simply create a contract using ChatGPT. And like, you can create any type of contract that you need them to create. Just let ChatGPT know, read through it, make sure that you have your company name, client name, and all of that, and then you'll be good to go. Hopefully, if you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.